Governors, and therefore, as will be procedural, we request.
My faith in the power of this forum as a force of national good. Bill 2023. And gladly note that the IGRT National County Coordinating Summit, another important moment to reaffirm our commitment. This will deepen consultation and cooperation between national and county governments, solid national territory in terms of counties, and then emphasizes that the national republic founded on the national values and principles of our county governments utilize the funds. We managed to agree with the Indian government. Counties have the responsibility of providing and offering the necessary enhancing production and food security is a shining test of the national government in the delivery of our affordable housing development agenda. I wish to underscore that devolution remains as the cornerstone of effective service delivery. I recognize devolution as the optimal mechanism for delivering important services and implementing essential projects and programs in line with our bottom-up economic transformation agenda. At the same time, I am proud to note that my administration has made substantial progress in promoting devolution as a principle and value, pursuing it as a policy and strategic objective, and consolidating the gains of devolution, notably through the following interventions. Since the advent of devolution, the National Treasury has endeavored to disperse all the allocations to counties as at the end of financial year 2022-2023. It was a difficult exercise, but I made a commitment, and I want to say, for the first time, we made sure that there were no outstanding monies that are owed to devolution at the end of the financial year. Consequently, the IFMIS deadline was extended to allow county governments utilize the funds. To actualize my commitment to transfer all pending devolved functions, the Intergovernmental Relations Technical Committee has been tasked to undertake a detailed analysis of the functions as per the 4th schedule of the Constitution. The analysis entailed unbundling of functions and the identification of necessary legislative interventions necessary to facilitate the performance of the functions and provision of necessary resources. Accordingly, I have instructed IGRTC to thoroughly engage all relevant stakeholders in order to avoid conflicts and acrimonious litigation in court.